amodol. Yn yr uned hon, dyn ni'n mynd i ddysgu defnyddio'r amser amodol. In this unit, we are going to learn to use the conditional tense. Gadewch i ni ddechrau. Let's get started. Ailadroddwch ar fy ôl i. Repeat after me. Faset ti'n hoffi bwyta cinio dydd Sul? Would you like to eat Sunday lunch? Faset ti'n hoffi cael brechdan? Would you like to have a sandwich? Faset ti'n hoffi bwyta steak a sglodion? Would you like to eat steak and chips? To ask someone formally, or to ask more than one person, this is the pattern. Fasech chi'n hoffi bwyta steak a sglodion? The conditional is a way of varying your sentence patterns. Look at the following sentences. Fasech chi'n hoffi bwyta steak a sglodion? Would you like to eat steak and chips? Wyt ti eisiau bwyta steak a sglodion? Do you want to eat steak and chips? The answer to these questions in the conditional tense is either baswn, I would, or na faswn, I wouldn't. Enghraifft. Faset ti'n hoffi bwyta cinio dydd Sul? Baswn. Neu, baswn. Baswn i'n hoffi bwyta cinio dydd Sul. Fasech chi'n hoffi bwyta brechdan? Na faswn. Neu, na faswn. Baswn i'n hoffi bwyta steak. Cofiwch, mae treiglad meddal gyda cwestiwn. There is a soft mutation with a question. Fasech chi? We could also ask someone other questions using yr amser amodol. Let's practice using the chi form. Dwedwch ar fy ôl i. Fasech chi'n hoffi mynd allan am dro? Would you like to go out for a walk? Fasech chi'n hoffi gwylio'r teledu? Would you like to watch TV? Fasech chi'n hoffi rhywbeth i yfed? Would you like something to drink? Bendigedig. The answers to these questions will also be baswn or na faswn. Fasech chi'n hoffi mynd allan am dro? Baswn. Neu, baswn. Baswn i'n hoffi mynd allan am dro. Fasech chi'n hoffi gwylio'r teledu? Na faswn. Neu, na faswn. Baswn i'n hoffi chwarae gêm o ddominos. Da iawn wir. Cofiwch, dych chi'n gallu gwylio'r fideo yma eto i adolygu. Remember, you can watch this video again to revise. Pob lwc gyda'r gweithgareddau.